How's it going, everybody? Super Draw 6-card poker double bonus at the casino at Dania Beach. Before we start, thanks to our partner on the videos,
Casino.org. Check them out for the latest in casino news, reviews, and strategies.
Let her rip, Dad. Hey, you did it.
Right.
Now, we were at the Hard Rock earlier today filming in the high limit room on single line Super Draw 6-card. And we were playing double. Got 4 aces with a pair for $4,000. Then I was like, oh, that's the best we're going to do on this game. Let's switch. We switched to Deuces Wild. And then got the natural 6-card straight flush.
Which would have paid?
Would have paid $8,000, and I think instead it paid $130 or something because we were on Deuces Wild. And this is a very, very bizarre strategy in this game. A lot of the plays are counterintuitive, but if you want to learn how to play it, check out our website, thejackpotgents.com. We have strategies there for several games that are nowhere else on the internet, including this, as well as Ultimate X Bonus Streak and Fast Fours. So that 6-card straight flush would have even been a hand pay. Oh no, it wouldn't have been a hand pay here in quarters. It would have been $1,000 here in quarters. Same as the Royal.
Another 6-card flush?
How about a 5-card flush? Oh,
there
you did do it. Another 6-card flush?
Maybe.
Maybe not.
Now.
My favorite hand. My favorite dealt hand in 6-card, because you can improve to a full house like normal, but on top of that, you can improve to 3 pairs, 2 3-of-a-kinds, or 4-of-a-kind with a pair.
We want a pair of 5s or a pair of queens.
That'll be $500. And you got 1 queen.
Close. Close, but no cigar.
Two more aces, Dad. It's double. It'll pay more. Oh, I thought you had it there. I saw the 3 in a row. And I just spoke to Pax earlier. He's going to get us a strategy for this game for Deuces Wild bonus, because they have a good version of that at the Hard Rock, so that'll be fun.
Great bubbles count for our uses there in the upper left.
And what is almost 4 aces paid, Dad? I'm calling it king
Well,
and a 5. We're
3
getting 2
aces.
3-of-a-kinds right there. I'm calling it. As I said, 2 pair right there. Straight flush. Didn't get a straight or a flush, huh? How about that? There's the 3 pair. Not enough to win, but it sure helped.
Straights. A lot of clubs. 6-card flush.
Only 1 flush there, huh? And now normally you wouldn't hold the 3rd flush card there in 5-card video poker, because by holding that 3rd spade you sort of shoot yourself in the foot and eliminate your chances of getting the Royal. You can still get it here. So it's worth holding, because it also increases your chances for the 5-card and 6-card flushes. Anytime you want me to take over, you let me know, Dad.
Take over, man.
Okay, I will.
8 queen?
I think that's too big of a stretch. Ugh. It's just the ace here. If it was bonus deluxe, I'd have gone ace queen. Oh, look at that!
Wow.
Pulled 4 ace or 4 threes on the draw for 200 bucks.
Very nice. Good job. Do it again.
I'm a winner.
You are a winner.
I just edited a video. We were playing this the other day. You held a pair and drew 4 of a kind on the draw. A separate 4 of a kind for the 4 of a kind with a pair for $500.
Oh, that was a weird one.
Well, that's the same thing I just did, really, except I held 1 ace and drew a 4 of a kind. Queen 9 is stronger here because it's part of the 6-card royal instead of just the 6-card straight flush. Or the 5-card straight flush also, I suppose. Nines again. All right, Dad, it's your turn to get a bonus 4 of a kind.
Can Dad get 4 of a kind? What's that? Kicker? I guess we'll find out. You said it. Don't forget we have another website, AmericanCasinoGuidebook.com. We just Matt just did an interview with Anthony Curtis. If you like to play roulette, there's new bad roulette in Las Vegas they just introduced.
Worst roulette ever. 10% house edge. Check out that. It's on our other YouTube channel, American Casino Guidebook. It's down. There's a link to it in the description. Give that a follow if you'd like to learn about casinos.
Quad zero roulette. Wasn't bad enough with double zero, triple zero. Now they have quad zero.
And it's pretty sketchy because they hide the fact that it's quadruple zero.
Well, thank goodness you got that big hand because pretty slim pickings otherwise.
Wait.
Inside straight.
Want to switch to deuces? You've done well on deuces wild on this game.
800. Down to 800 switch. How's that? Hopefully we never get there.
Oh, you son of a bitch! You
Wow,
did it
I've done that again. Wow. $500. Good thing we stayed on here.
You're insane with that. How the hell do you keep doing that?
I know, I'm happy. I'm happy with it.
Wow.
Booyah.
Now get a 6-card royal. Seal the deal.
Were we close? Were we close?
No, not even remotely. Cannot believe you did that again. That's insane.
It is. And you had one good big hit. I got one big hit.
Yours was a hell of a lot better than mine, though.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? I'm happy to say it.
Don't forget about casino.org. Check them out. They're our partners on the videos. They're a fantastic resource for really any casino strategy you could possibly think of, and it's all free there. They got blackjack, craps, roulette, baccarat, pai gow, any table game you can think of, all the way to the newest slot machines you can find in casinos or online.
That was a good one. Rolled a pair of queens.
It's a winner,
That was
yeah,
pretty good.
that was. Oh, look at you again!
Wow.
Again with the kicker!
Holy crap.
What the hell, dude?
1,200 credits? That's
$300 for those two hands. Look at you!
Wow.
All right, that's a
love
video,
this
but
game.
we're going to go down to 600 up to 700, or 16 up to 17. Because I'm sure we're going up to 17 with these. How you keep.
Yeah. Out of
Getting these
nowhere, all of a
hands.
sudden. Hey, I'll take it.
So that's 2 quads with a kicker, 1 bonus 4 of a kind with no kicker, a 4 of a kind with a pair. That's a good session.
Right there?
All right, I always rag on you for being terrible. Credit where it's due, Dad. What is that?
Thank you.
$601.25 winners.
That was quite a run of good hands I had there. That was great.
It was, and one last time, thanks to our partner on the videos.
Casino.org. Check them out for the latest in casino news, reviews, and strategies.